Do me a favor, pick me up, take me out later. Don't worry about no paper, 'cause I got mine stacked up for nights like this. My life can get crazy, I deal with shit on the daily. But baby, I'm thinking maybe we could agree to work it out like this. I need you to give me your time. I need you to not wanna be mine.
Hey guys, it's your girl Kat and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on Sensationnel's Empire Lace Wig Celebrity Series, and this is in the style Shannon and in the color number 2. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into this unboxing on this human hair bob unit. And girl, you can go ahead and curl and color her. She is beautiful. So we got 2 combs in the front by the middle part, a comb in the back with adjustable straps. This mesh cap right here is very stretchy, okay? So big head ladies like myself, we can get into this, okay? And I still had room. Heavy on the big, she got space, okay? So you definitely don't got to worry about getting into this. I love the convenience of it because it's a middle part. It's human hair, so you can do whatever you please to the hair. Curl it, crimp it, color the hair, whatever you please. Go ahead and slay, and she's literally done. So done that we literally reached the end of this video. Well, not entirely, but we're almost there. So this is the final look. What do you think, ladies? And this is the final look. I'm loving how this unit came out. All I did literally was add a little bit of heat towards the end of the unit. Well, actually the whole body. The body from the root to the tips of this unit, and that was it. Now, I did go a little heavy-handed on the oil, which is the reason why this hair looks a little thinner than what it is, but don't put too much oil, basically, is all I can tell you at this moment, because the hair is actually thicker in person than what you're seeing right now, but because I was so heavy-handed with the oil, you are not seeing that. And then throw in some curls or whatever, you know, jazz it up a bit. I held the hair in the curling iron for about 5 to 10 seconds. Definitely hold it on for a little bit longer if you want extra crisp and defined curls. But until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.